Ikalabing-anim ng Hulyo, 2016, lumaban ang maangas na undefeated na si Charlie aka Aguila kontra kay Jose Aguilar ng Espanya alias El Polo na ang ibig sabihin ay manok. Aguila kontra sa nitoy na manok, labanan ng mga pekpek, labanan ng mga pakpak at tari. At ang mananalo ay siyang haharap sa pinakamaangas na boksingero sa buong Pilipinas na nooy kagagaling ng sa panalo kontra sa pangalawang laban nila ng madayang Thai boxer na si Amnat Ruwenrong. Nakabawi ang tinaguriang Cuadro Alas ng Pilipinas matapos nitong hambalusin ng gulpe de meningitis, dyscoliosis, de leptospirosis, de clitoris si Amnat Ruwenrong at nakuha nito ang titulong hawak nito. Sa laban naman ni Aguilar at Charlie Edwards, nagyabangan pa talaga ang dalawang animal. Biruin nyo ba naman, nakuha pang mag-alisapol itong si Charlie Edwards sa kalagitnaan ng kanilang laban. At di naman nagpatalo sa kayabangan itong si Jose Tilaok Aguilar at gumanti din ng alisapol sa harap ng mayabang na Briton. Pagkatapos naman sa parehong round ay nag-angas na naman ang Briton at sinabing, suntok sa mukha, libre yan, suntok, suntok. Pero umiilag naman si Raul Dinino. Di naman ulit nagpadaig sa yabang itong si Netoy at gumanti na naman. Pumustura ito na para bang nakaposas at sinabi ring, suntok ko, nakaposas ako, suntok. Pero itong si Aguilar pa rin ang napikon at hinabol ng tari si Edward sa corner. Bandang huli ay nanaig pa rin ng maangas na Briton sa laban. Nanalo ito via unanimous decision at nabigyan ito ng pagkakataon na makaharap sa pandaigdigang titulo ang pinakamaangas na boksingero sa buong Pilipinas na walang iba kundi si John Riel Cuadro Alas Casimero. Araw ng Sabado at ika-10 ng Setyembre taong 2016, ikinasa ang kanilang laban. Co-main event ito sa laban ng Triple G at Kell Brook. Ginanap ang laban sa Greenwich, London, United Kingdom. Dedepensahan ni Casimero sa kauna-unahang pagkakataon ang kanyang IBF flyweight title kontra sa Aguila ng Britanya. May malinis na kartada ang bagitong Briton na 8 panalo at wala ni isang bahid ng pagkatalo na kung ating mapapansin ay para bang masyadong maaga pa ata para sa bagito ang kumasa sa pandaigdigang kompetisyon. Siguro isip nito ay isa siyang advanced na boksingero na animo isang elementary student na nanayang nagsagot ng module at gusto na agad lumundag sa kolehiyo upang makamit agad ang diploma. Na ang hindi niya alam ay isang cum laude sa boxing ang kanyang kakaharapin at may malawak na karanasan pagdating sa pakikipagsagupa sa iba't ibang uri ng halimaw sa ibabaw ng lona. Sa kanilang weigh-in naman, maririnig mo ang ilang taga-suporta nitong Aguila ng Britanya na talaga namang nangingibabaw ang mga bunganga at may pagsigaw pa ng Charlie na para bang marites sa kanto na tamang tantos sa bingguhan. Na sinundan naman ng isang mamang Briton ng pagsigaw ng "And the new!"
Thank you, gentlemen. Thank you, gentlemen.
Nakala mo naman talaga siguradong mananalo na ang kanilang pambato. Samantala, may pagsenyas naman itong si Charlie Edwards na animoy sumasayaw ng paru-paru-G o paru-paru-G. Bridget na yan. Siya pala nakaimbento niyan. Sa pagkakataong ito, lumalabas na mas mayabang pa pala ito sa ating pambansang angas. Ngunit tinawanan lamang ito ng ating pambato at umiling-iling at napasabi na lang sa kanyang isip na burger ka sa akin sa laban, tingnan mo. At ang mga kasama naman niya ay tamang nguya lang ng bubblegum sa nguya-nguyaan at animoy sumenyas ng oy. Pagkatapos ng weigh-in, inom tayo dun sa likod. Sa round 1, in and out ang ginagawa ng bagitong Briton at puro jab ang pinakakawalan nito. Samantalang ang ating pambansang angas ay ginagamitan nito ng mabilis na footwork para makalapit sa malaki at mas mahabang Briton.
Casimero, vast, comfortable, knowing he hasn't been in with the quality as a professional at this level.
Right hand already. The mobility, Dave.
He've used the height, the reach, everything he needs to do in this. But once that's expected, I thought he'd take, look, another right hand. I was expecting it to be a little bit more comfortable early doors for Charlie.
Casimiro. He could be mistaken for 16 or 17 and maybe he fit
For the fight,
Oh, and then big right hand, nice right hand there by Casemiro.
Round 3. Ginagamitan na ni Casemiro ng malamay weather na depensa itong Agila ng Briton at tamang abang lang at counter. At hinahayaan niya maging agresibo ang bagitong Briton na animoy may masamang pain para ito ay masakmal.
3-minute professional rounds as he to take this title, bring much further down.
Clearly the jab is part of the...
If he's not there, then get your feet out of there in fights along the way. But, you know, his kids that are coming out of Team GB wanting to take
the punches behind that jab, either more, as Casemiro is way...
Edwards working harder than what he needs to be or wants to be doing.
Round 4. Nagsimula ng sumabay sa atake si Casemiro at tila hindi nagustuhan ng bagitong Briton ang lasa ng kamao ng ating pambansang angas at sa round din na ito ay tila muntik ng malaglagan tuka ng tinaguri ang Agila ng Britanya nang tinamaan ito ng solid na uppercut sa kanyang muka at mukha na rin unti-unting nababasa ni Casemiro ang paulit-ulit itong in and out na pagjab.
And he's ready for anything Charlie Edwards can throw at him. He was saying himself, Casemiro, that he was once like Edwards and he admires his ambition in taking this chance, but it's just too early.
It's here at the O2 because nothing like that's going to happen. So.
Big right hand again, he tries City and just started to dig in some body shots, really winging them.
You see it?
Oh, big uppercut, and Edwards felt that, and that's a brain stoppages he has, and that's a body shot, which is going to...
Yeah, that's a fantastic uppercut he catches him with.
Yeah. And he set him up. He noticed as Charlie kicks back and away, he dips down. And right there, he got up to back away the same way and then ripped that uppercut.
I'll tell you what, Charlie Edwards showed a good chin to say that. That's one box that we've taken
Yeah,
here. That could have put him to sleep.
He dipped right into it.
Yeah.
Dipping right into
Clean.
the uppercut.
He recovered really well.
Yeah, Casemiro knew that dip was coming.
But the worrying thing for me, other than the uppercut, Edwards are getting caught with a lot of shots.
Round 6. Nahihirapang makatama si Casemiro sa bagitong Briton. Naging epektibo ang turo ng kanyang trainer na huwag makipagsabayan at iwasan ang right hook counter ni Casemiro sa tuwing siya ay babato ng jab. Pagpapakita lamang ito na talagang mas mabilis ang Agila ng Britanya kaysa kay Cuadro Alas. Kaya kailangan makaisip ng paraan ng ating pambansang angas dahil kung hindi ay matatalo siya sa puntos.
Work rate or accuracy as he lands another body shot, but
Kind of like a man, which is what he needed in this fight. When
He's getting more confident in the right hand.
we even got Paulie Malignaggi.
Round 7. Naging agresibo na si Casemiro dahil tila makakalamang ang Briton kung puro counter ang kanyang gagawin. At sa huling minuto ng round ay nakatama ng sunod-sunod na kombinasyon si Casemiro dahilan upang mapayakap ang bagitong Briton.
And Casemiro, dare I say, this is the first time looked a little befuddled that round.
Good right hand to the head of that jab.
He's getting it now. What? He went full.
Just to Amnet Ruaron in June last.
it makes his way a little bit easier.
A little bit of time ago by Steve Gray, but he's starting to just get through, and Edwards felt that. Oh, big shots here from Casemiro, and Charlie Edwards has to hold on and cling. And has he got the experience and knowledge and know how to do it?
He keeps ducking the same way. Casemiro knows he keeps throwing the uppercut. Charlie has to make an adjustment in the way he's in the floor. Open glove, and what happens? You'll catch the uppercut at least.
Big hooks going in from Casemiro, who feels he's more powerful, stronger, and in charge. And look at that.
Some good uppercuts there. That's the shot. Again, Edwards is showing his toughness.
Yeah. Again, it's
Round 8. Nanggigigil na si Casemiro. Parang gusto nang tapusin ang laban. Alam nyo mga kaibigan, ito yung nakakatakot kay Casemiro eh. Kapag sinusundan na niya yung kalaban maigi, parang sinusundan na din ni kamatayan eh. Sigurado magpapakawala ng mabibigat na suntok eh.
There's the body shot again.
Casemiro was actually doing it to him there. Big right hand.
It's another one. Oh, and he's just gripping down on that gum shield, Charlie Edwards. And all the out, but this is real, and this is world.
Going to flight every round.
Round 10. Dito nawawa sa akin ni Casemiro ang mayabang na Briton at ipalalasap ang kanyang kauna-unahang talo sa kanyang karera.
With the points lost.
Good right hand from Edward. You struggled when you were in that division.
So when I boxed, now it
Oh, beautiful shot.
walked into it.
Straight into it, and he's hurt badly, and he tried everything. That left hook, though.
You hook with a hooker, right? Well, what they say, don't hook with a hooker.
You know, the thing is, he got up, he still got up from that shot. That shows, you know, what kind of kid this is. You know, he's had a rough few rounds, but he's got nailed, and he's still got up trying to win this fight. I take my hat off to him. He'll come again. This will do him in the world of good. There's a lot of things to learn in, experience, and he will come again.
Terrific character from Charlie Edwards. Education may be a painful one tonight, but he took that opportunity, and you've got to say that John Real Casimero did his job as champ. Very well to recover. He's brave. He gets to his feet. His legs have gone. He's been asked to walk forward. Steve Gray's giving him every opportunity. Every opportunity. Casimero wants to get on with it. There's over a minute left. Does he have the experience to hold? Can he recover from that? I don't think so.
Fought with his heart on his sleeve all night. It is not always that we win our first world title shot, but it doesn't mean you're not going to come back and win a world title again.
Look at this. You know, he's a good finisher, Casimero.
He is. I would have loved to see Charlie Hall, but as Adam said, he just doesn't have the experience to think of it.
Yeah. You know, when you're young, you're full of bravado. You know, you don't want to hold, you know, on this stage.
And you know what it is too, Adam, Dave, you know what the weird thing is, guys?